I woke up this morning and I was getting dressed and I looked down to put on my shoes. And I looked at my shoe and I said, man, it's really scuffed up. It's really dirty. It's got some spots that could really use some shining. And I said, who cares if I shine it? No one's going to see them anyways. What do I need to put on my nice shoes for? Let me stick to whatever, my slippers. Who cares? And then I thought about it a little more and I said, no, it's the wrong attitude. Right? So often we dress to impress. Most often it's to impress others. Right now, we need to dress to impress ourselves and to impress our own attitudes. And if we're living with somebody else and have others around us, let's dress our best so that we can impress ourselves, impress others. Keep our attitudes up. Keep our attitudes in a good place. Get dressed. Put on your best. Make it an awesome day. If we could go ahead and do things on the outside, it's going to help us change how we're feeling on the inside. We're going to feel great. We're going to feel awesome. We're going to feel like $1,000,000 without scuffed shoes that are nice and shiny. So let's make sure when we get dressed in the morning, we put on our best. And if we're not going to see anybody else, do it for ourselves. Let's dress to impress the way that we behave, the way that we feel. Have an awesome day. Let's thrive, not just survive. Have an awesome one. See you next time.